Hey there, I'm Arthur with Innovative Journaling, and I've got some new products for you for your moleskins. Check them out. So this comes in three sizes: the pocket, the large, and the extra large, which by the way is the same size as a composition book. So I'll say it now and not again. You can also put two composition books in here, or a combination of your moleskin extra large or your moleskin extra large and standard size composition book. All right. Basically, they're all modular. They hold two refills, like this. You can use the moleskin refills. You can use our refills, your choice. They have an inside pocket. They have two outside pockets. And they come in like 7 colors. And so you can choose your color combinations for all this stuff. And we will just take the bead. I mean, we've got so many beads that I can't even tell you. And I'm ordering more too. Different kinds, but you can see here the same color combinations in 3 different beads, and they all look really cool, right? So anyway, that is that. So this comes in the extra large size, and it has the 2 outside pockets for your information, rustic brown, and in the middle is flight jacket. That's the tall pocket. Same in the back, 2 pockets sewn down the spine. Same for the large moleskin, and the dimensions for those. If you're a moleskin user, you'll know what's what. Pockets, and then now for the pocket size, we couldn't really put 2 pockets here, so we just did 1. So you have 1 pocket on either side on the outside, and 1 pocket on the inside. And I'm going to show you how to take the refills in and out of here if you don't already know. So basically, what you do is there's a cord in the middle, and you just pull on that and watch what happens. See how it retracts the bead? Voila! Your book is out. Then to put the new refill in, you just reverse the process. Put the new refill in and pull tight. And there it is, all in. To hold your book securely. There's no rubber bands or any kind of bands or anything on this. Okay, so that's it. The three new modular covers for your moleskin. We do have an introductory offer on this, and that will be in the product description, or if I send you an email, I'll let you know what it is there too. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.